Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to start a new chapter, coordinate geometry. In this chapter, we will learn and discuss the three things: distance formula, area of triangle by three given points, and coordinates of the point which divides a line segment joining two given points in given ratio. First, I am going to find the formula for how to find the distance between two points. Suppose two points P and Q are, the point P is x1 y1 and point Q is x2 y2. Suppose this is point P, x1, and this is point Q, x2 y2. Now I am going to join these 2 points. After joining these 2 points, I am going to draw perpendicular. This is x-axis children, this is y-axis, and this is the origin. I am going to draw perpendicular from point P and Q on the x-axis. This is perpendicular. Let this point be M and this point be N, and I am going to draw a horizontal line parallel to x-axis. Suppose this is point P. Children, the distance between O and M is x1, and the distance between O and N is what? The distance between O and N. O and N is x2. So can you tell me what will the distance between M and N? If this is x2 and this is x1, so this will become x2 minus x1. The total distance between Q and N is what? The total distance between Q and N is equal to what? Y2. This is the y2. This is y2. And what will the distance between P and N? This is y1. So this will be y1. So can you tell me what will the distance between Q and A and Q? What will the distance between A and Q? Y2 minus y1, because Q and is y2. Q and is what? Q and is y2, and A n is y1. If this is y2 and this is y1, so this will be y2 minus y1. This is y2 minus y1. And if this distance mn is equal to x2 minus x1, so PA is also x2 minus x1, because it is a rectangle, and you know that the opposite side of the rectangle are always equal. Now I am going to use the Pythagoras theorem for finding the distance between P and Q. Here PAQ is a right angle triangle. Here PAQ is what? PAQ is a right angle triangle, and the opposite side of the 90-degree angle is always hypotenuse. So it means PQ is hypotenuse and other two sides are base and perpendicular. Now by using the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle, PQ square is equal to PA square plus AQ square. PQ square is equal to PA square. PA is what? PA is x2 minus x1 whole square plus AQ. AQ is what? y2 minus y1 whole square. Taking square root on both sides, we will get PQ. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Children, now I am going to take an example. For the illustration of this formula, how should we find the distance between the 2 points? Suppose point P is 8, 7 and point Q is 3, 5. Here the value of x1 is equal to 8 and y1 is equal to 7. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2 is equal to 3, and y2 is equal to what? y2 is equal to 5. Now I am going to use this formula for finding the distance between these 2 points. PQ is equal to under root the value of x2 is 3 minus x1 is 8, 3 minus 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1, y2 is 5, 5 minus 7 whole square is equal to 3 minus 8 minus 5 whole square plus 5 minus 7 minus 2 whole square. Square of minus 5. Square of minus 5 is equal to 25 and square of minus 2 is equal to 4. Square of minus 5 is 25. 25 plus 4 is equal to under root 29 units. It means you can find the distance between any two points by using this formula. Okay. Thank you, children.